Hello and welcome to your NEO-RLS network group. We want to give you this brief tutorial so that you can feel more comfortable navigating the site and utilizing it to connect with others, ask questions, gain insight, information, resources, and much more. Your particular network group might look slightly different, especially as more members are participating in it and making the group uniquely geared to their network. But by getting this overview, you'll understand the main tools and terms involved in using Discord and be able to more confidently navigate the site. If you have any additional questions on using the site, please don't hesitate to reach out to holly.klingler@neo-rls.org and I'll be happy to help you. You've likely received a link to access your network group. This is something that was likely given to you via your email as an invite. Click on that link and you should be prompted to download Discord for your computer. Keep in mind that you can also download Discord for your mobile devices as well. Once you download Discord and create an account, you should have access to the site and its content. You will likely have to verify your email, so be sure to do that. At the top left, you see the group that you're in right here. Discord calls different groups your members of servers. You'll see and be able to switch to different servers along the left side here. Right by the group name, you have a drop-down menu which allows you to customize certain features. I'll show you more on those shortly, but the first thing we want you to do is to change your nickname to include your name and your library. So you just click on Change Nickname. You can say Holly Klinger. And that is how you change your name. Right below your group name, you'll be able to see the different categories and topics that the group is discussing. You can use the caret, which is the drop-down menu here, to view the different topics that are discussed. As mentioned, this will look different depending on your network group, but knowing how to navigate the topics and categories are helpful. One thing that will be the same for every NEO-RLS network group is the Getting Started section here. You'll find two topics. First, Discord calls these topics channels. So this is technically a channel. But each topic or channel is housed under main categories here. So this is the main category that you can put and navigate this way. And then below the category are the channels or topics. This is to keep organized and to help you keep on topics you want to personally keep track of. And we'll do more of that in a bit. You'll see under the Getting Started category, we have a Communications Etiquette channel and a How to Begin channel or topic. These are simply informational channels for you. Please, if you go into the Communication Etiquette, read and adhere to our Communications Etiquette when participating in the network groups. In the How to Begin channel, you have a support page for anything you want to know about Discord, and we'll also have this tutorial for you so that you can refer to it when needed. You'll also have my email in case you have any questions or issues. You will see here the other categories and channels as well. Some might be merely informational, like the announcements section and the Getting Started section where you receive important updates. You can tell that this is merely informational because it doesn't have the plus sign. Then you'll have other categories where you can add, share, ask questions, provide input, and more, like the discussion and questions section here. You can tell those sections by the plus sign that you can add and offer information. This will be the heart of your network group. As the group grows, you're going to see more categories, topics, and channels added. So as you come up and start looking into and drilling down on the categories and the topics, once people start discussing items and particular topics, you'll see the conversation generated under each group here. You can see, once you click on that channel, you can see the information provided as it goes. If you would like to contribute to the topic or add something to the conversation, you can do so in the box here. You can also upload a document if you would like by clicking on the plus sign here, and there's other features available here as well. If you would like to search not just this particular topic or channel, but the entire group, you can use the search box right up here. We do recommend that you do a search before you create your own channel or topic, just in case it's already been discussed. To create a new topic, click on the plus sign and it will allow you to create a channel. We'll cover the voice channels in a moment, but generally you'll be creating a text channel where people can participate through message responses, links, answers, and more. So we just do new topic here. And once you do that, you can begin typing and asking your questions or creating a response right here. To delete this channel, you just click delete channel. Because this group will grow and will be adding more topics and discussions, you might only be interested or want to hear from certain topics, or you might not be interested or want to hear from other topics. Discord allows you to customize those notifications, and you can do them in several ways. So the first way would be for you to right-click on the category or the channel itself and then click Mute Channel. You can do that for a short bit of time if it's super busy and creating a lot of discussion that you don't want to be notified of, more or less. You can do it for 8 hours, 24 hours, or you can do it until you want to turn it back on. You can also do the notification settings here to where you get all mentions that you get, all messages in general, or nothing at all if you just wish not to hear from that channel at all. The second way, which is pretty quick, would be just to simply click on this and mute that channel so you're not getting those notifications continuously for that particular channel that you want. And the third way would be to go to the notification settings under that network group. Here you have an opportunity to be much more particular with what you're looking for, so you can only have it where you're mentioned. You can have it where it's nothing at all. You can control those aspects. You can also pick a certain category that you want to mute, or determine whether you want just the mentions, nothing at all, or everything. And once you do that, you want to save it and click Done. So one feature that's unique to Discord is the voice discussion or channel feature. This allows for members to connect and discuss topics via voice or video if they want. The voice and video is off by default, and you need to click Allow for it to work. If it's your first time, you'll get a pop-up that says you're allowing that feature to work. You can see that you can use video, you can use screen, and right now it's saying that I'm able to do a voice chat discussion, and I'm willing to do that because I'm down here. However, I'm muted and I can't hear anybody say anything if they're in that feature as well. If you don't want to, you can see it down here as well. You can unmute it, or you can listen if you want. Other people will be notified that you're either listening or that you're talking. If you want to hang that up, you can simply hit disconnect and you are no longer in the voice discussion section. I would recommend only coming in here if you have something specific that you want to discuss with somebody, and they will notice that you're there and be able to pop on and discuss via voice or video or screen sharing if you want. Speaking of connecting, you'll be able to see the other members that are in the group on the right side here of the group page. If there's a name that has a different color from the rest, that's usually because they are assigned a different role, like an admin role or a moderator role, and you can reach out to them if you need to. You can see who's online and who's offline here. And if you right-click on a member's name, you can see their profile, you can possibly message them, and much more provided. Finally, in the lower left corner here, you have the settings icon. There you can customize, you can see right there the user settings. There you can customize your profile, your appearance, audio and video settings, and more. For instance, Discord might have your features and your appearance be more in the dark mode, and you might not like that. So if you go into the appearance section and you go to light mode, you can change it to that if you'd like. So there's much, much more you can do with Discord and with our network groups, but hopefully that's enough to get you started. If you have any additional questions at all, do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you, and thank you for joining the NEO-RLS network group.